All right, I'm back at the motel. That lovely young lady down there, her name is On, and she's a housekeeper and she's looking after me very, very fantastically. So, popcorn cup on. This is the room. So basically on the outside, it's not too far from where I stayed a couple of years ago. May's over there and what have you. So we'll go, I'm in room 64. We'll wander in and we'll have a look around. So shut the door. It's fucking hot out there. We've got the bathroom. Pretty basic. Yeah, so it's sort of a bath shower, but yeah, all very basic. She's got a where we put the bags and what have you. TV, bed, lounge chair. I'll set the computer up over there. There's the wardrobe. Set up a number of the shirts and caps and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's basic, but it's good. But the best part is, have a look at the view. There's Hua Hin Beach and the Gulf of Thailand. So it's, oh, there's someone riding on a horse on the way past, if you don't mind. Oh, there. And I said I got laundry done. So if you have a look down here, this is a laundry that I got back from them. So there was 3.5 kilos. It's come back folded, washed, dried, folded and all that. $15. Can't go wrong with that. So yeah, I'm about to go out there to the registration and register, and I'll show you what the goodies are when I get back.